Hey, it's Brad Wozny here with Partner for Profits tips on you for lending for rental property. Okay, now in this day and this age, right now with all these foreclosure homes hitting the marketplace and 68% of all banks' mortgages expected to be underwater because banks won't finance them, lending on rental property has gotten hard. It's not like the good old days where you could have no income, no job, still apply and get financing, even on commercial property. So how do you get lending on rental property? Well, there's a couple of ways, and I've only got a few moments here to share with you a couple of tips. First off, if you're doing commercial real estate, which is the best type to do on rental property, okay, which consideration is 5 units or more. And my residential investors, listen to me here. Why would you go out and buy a home and rent it to one person with one roof over their head and risk that that person you rent it to or the family you rent it to loses their job, can't pay your mortgage, can't pay your bills, and you have to kick them out because that's just a fact of being in this business. You have to evict them or they have to leave, and it takes between 3 months to 9 months. Why would you risk that? What if you could then spread that risk across a minimum of 5 roofs? But actually now it's no longer 5 roofs, it's 5 units under one roof. So that if that happens to one individual or one family, then your entire business isn't at risk. Your savings are not at risk because it's covered. The debt is serviced by the other 4. All right? So lending on rental property, the best way to go about it is looking at commercial real estate. Apartments, particularly student apartments in a depression, and beginning there. Because what the lender does is, let me put it to you this way. How would you like to get funding for your property and they really don't care about your credit? Have I got your attention now? That's what we're talking about in commercial real estate, because commercial real estate, they invest in the property first. They want to look at the business, the cash flow, because they actually give you a loan only when they know you're going to make money. Wouldn't that be awesome? A bank says, we're giving you this loan because we can guarantee you're making money. As opposed to residential, and they're like, well, you give us enough cash, we'll try to underwrite a loan, give you the loan, and we hope you make money, but see ya. That's the way it goes. So when you're lending on rental property, you need to position it as a business. You need to look at it in a profit partnership. And that's also part of, not all, but that is a small part of my incredibly encompassing Partner for Profits program. To learn more about that and to make a bundle, go check on the link right now. Take a look at the site. There's also an application if you'd like to request more information and become a partner with a nominal fee. All the best. Look forward to speaking with you soon.